Everyone, today we're going to be working on the Cayman S. We're going to be changing up the Aero a little bit. It's going to get a Joe Todd 3-piece splitter, and we're going to also be raising up the wing with some plates that came with the car. We ordered the 3-piece splitter about a week ago. With weather and everything, it came in a rather timely manner, but this is how it showed up. Oof. Yeah, it looks like they used the box as a stepping stool or something. Opened it up though, and the 3 pieces were in very good shape. All the parts were there. There was a slight little crack on the lip, but it's going to be all right. The installation was very simple. This took about 20-25 minutes from start to finish. This particular video has been Cali approved.